This is a good book for learning medical biochemistry. This book, um, I don't know if it's perfect. I have not really studied it in full. I did a lot of reading in it, but I didn't read the whole thing. I stopped because I had to go back and learn some other things. But I'm looking at it now, and it even tells you the molecular structure of uh, proteins and DNA, and it describes where DNA comes from, what it does, and how genetics may possibly work to make proteins, and all sorts of things. Some basic chemicals and polymers, and metabolism. And metabolism can be anabolic or catabolic. And catabolic is to break down, anabolic is to build up. And that also pertains to the internal workings of your cells, which in turn plays a role in all of the biogenesis of life, I guess you could say. So this is a very detailed subject. Now, it may not be everything because I'm not sure what it says about some of the pathology. I'm not sure that this is all the pathology or pathophysiology, but it does get into mutations, pathophysiology, some stuff like that. Like if we look over the chapters, you got a lot of things here: cellular growth and control, metabolism, all kinds of metabolism transport, metabolic pathways, micronutrients, integration of metabolism, how the liver works. Obesity is common in all the countries. The different vitamins, a big bunch of trace elements. So yeah, if it covers basically all the metabolism, and we have also defense mechanisms, growth, control, cellular growth, cancers, and then mutations, which is all. It's all about deformities. If you never deformed, you'd probably be infinite. It talks about the human genome, protein targeting and proteostasis, viruses, DNA technology, cytoskeleton, extracellular matrix, biological membranes, extracellular messengers, intracellular plasma proteins, introduction to genetic diseases, DNA technology, defense mechanisms, cell growth, metabolic pathways. I'm repeating myself. Metabolism of membrane lipids, purines, fluid, iron, amino acid metabolism, that's building up and breaking down. That should cover what they know currently. This book was published in, let's see, and the latest was 2012, so it's not that old. It ought to be pretty good. It's decent, I'm sure. And if you cover the basis of medical biochemistry, you're going to get into pathology. You're going to get into physiology. You're going to derive this from anatomy and all your tissues and things like that, and your structures are going to show how they're actually made in process from beginning to end in medical biochemistry. And then you're going to learn about the disease And you should also learn about therapy. Technically, it should cover disease, therapy, and physiology. Uh, and that's pretty much what medical biochemistry should be. So this is some major principles. I'm not sure that covers every basis, but once again, I recommend this book, and I am going to read it further because I'm very interested in learning medical biochemistry.